Hello, Corner Canyon seniors. We are excited that you are interested in applying for the Charger Medallion. For the Charger Medallion, you must earn at least 200 points from your six charge categories, with no more than 50 points for any one charge category. That contributes to that 200 points total. This signature and application form is due on May 7th to the Student Center. But please make sure you plan ahead. You will need to get several verification signatures from various personnel. So you'll want to start early on this rather than waiting till the 7th to try to get all of those signatures. To see if your activities add up to the 200 needed for the Charger Medallion, you can click on the number 1 on our school website to see all of the categories and point values. I would recommend just printing this off and then circling the ones that apply to you so that you can see if you can get at least 50 points or at least 200 points with no more than 50 per category. If you think you are eligible for the Charger Medallion, go ahead and follow the link on step 2. When we follow that, it's going to ask you if you want to make a copy of Charger Medallion. Click Make a Copy, and it will open a spreadsheet that we will complete for your application. You will want to go ahead and read through these instructions before completing the form, but I'm going to give you a quick demonstration. You will notice there are light blue boxes. These are the boxes that you will need to complete on the form. So the first one is your student name. After I complete, you'll notice that it will turn to white, meaning that is it's finished, it's complete. So for the care category, if I have taken an AP test and I scored at least 3 or higher on that AP test, I can click AP test. You'll notice that it will autofill 5 points per test, and it will say that I need a signature from an AP teacher. There's one more blue box that I need to complete, and that is the description and dates. So for an AP test, I might put that I have taken the AP geography test, and maybe I took it in May 2019. You may have some items that you can put more than once. For instance, the AP test, maybe I also took an AP physics test that I scored 3 or higher in. And so I can list that in May 2020, I had AP physics. Just make sure you always put in the description and what date that applied to. I'll go ahead and fill this out for any others that I have. So if I was an SBO or a class officer, I could put that. And then I can put when I was a class officer or an SBO. You'll want to continue doing this until you have all of your activities. If you accidentally select one, maybe you thought that you had a 4.0, but then you went back and looked at your transcript and you did not have a 4.0. If that is the case, you just click on the box and then hit delete, and it will take it out. Don't worry if you have some blue boxes remaining. You'll just select this down arrow and pick an option for any one that applies to you, but you won't necessarily use all of these boxes. Go ahead and continue for each of our charge categories to select any activities that apply to you, making sure you put in the description and dates. And then once you have all of this completed, you'll want to scroll all the way down to the bottom of the page and check your Charger Medallion total. In order to earn a Charger Medallion, this number needs to be at least 200. If you have 200 here, you will go ahead and print this form. So go to File and then Print. You will want to make sure that it is set to letter and landscape mode. You can leave the scale to fit to page breaks, or you can switch it to normal. Both should work. Go ahead and look at the preview to verify that it's fitting on one page. It should look similar to this, although it may be, I'm sorry, so that it is all of your columns fit on one page. It will be a multi-page document. This one's 4, depending on how many different activities you have. And then go ahead and print. Once you print, you are going to take this document to the people that are listed in this column. So it says AP teacher. So I'm going to take this to my AP teacher. If I have received a 3 or higher on AP geography, my teacher will sign it. Once I get all of the signatures that I need, I'll turn it into the student center to Andrea Weiniger. If you have any questions about this process, please see the Student Center. Thanks so much.